Can a Wi-Fi owner really see what websites you visit? The short answer is sometimes yes. Here's how it works and how to protect your privacy. When you connect to someone else's Wi-Fi, your device sends traffic through their router. That means the Wi-Fi owner can see domain names you visit, like google.com or youtube.com, but not your passwords or private messages. They cannot see your passwords, your private messages, what you type into websites, and they cannot see full pages if the website uses HTTPS, which most modern websites do. Some routers keep connection logs showing connected devices, IP addresses, domains visited. Even if you delete your browser history, router logs may still exist. On iPhone, you can enable iCloud Private Relay to hide your IP address from the Wi-Fi owner. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic. The Wi-Fi owner will only see that you're connected to a VPN, not the websites or apps you use. Public and shared Wi-Fi networks are never fully private. If privacy matters, always use a VPN or private relay. That's the truth about Wi-Fi tracking. Like and subscribe for more privacy and tech tips.